Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Now this little cupboard here that you see I've had for a long time. Actually, I used to put my supplies in it as a kid, and yeah, recently I decided that I wanted to paint it. But it's one of those projects, like I did the just the flat colors, and then I didn't know what to do with it anymore, and it just kind of sat there on my desk looking like half finished. So today I decided to finish it and yeah, just paint some cute little pictures on it. And yeah, I did all of these just freehand except for the purple one, because I wanted to draw like this. I wanted to paint this specific flower, but I didn't know how, so I ended up just like wiping it off and restarting it and using an image on my phone. But the rest is just from the top of my mind, like what I thought the object that I was painting should look like. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep it short because yeah, I'm still in the process of moving and I don't really have much time to spend on YouTube right now, but I still wanted to make like a little fun video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna leave you to it. And if you liked it and if you like my channel, please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, I'll see you next week.